Has this happened to you? Drive over a tree stump or a big stick and suddenly you hear a bang and one side of your lawn tractor stops cutting the grass. Well, you've just lost a blade. And if you could find the blade and nut, then you could fix this thing pretty easily. Make sure you have a torque wrench handy and look up the specs for your mower blades. First thing we'll do is put the tractor in neutral and pull it up onto a pallet. And be sure to put your deck onto the highest cutting setting. Before we get going, there's a few safety things to do first. Number 1, pull the spark plug. 2, make sure your cutting lever is off. And 3, put the mower into gear when it's up on the pallet. And this should all keep you pretty safe. Now, most of these videos I see make you take the whole mower deck off. But actually, if you're at a rush, you don't really have to. So here's what this side of the tractor looks like without the blade and nut. You can see how there's a star pattern for the blade to fit right into and when it's nice and tight. Make sure if you're putting on the old blade that you look for the spot where the nut used to be so it'll be right side up. It's important to tighten your nut to the right torque, since these things can range from about 30 to 90 foot-pounds in the tractors that I've seen. Now we'll fast forward through this and you can see that I get myself a wooden block to wedge against the floor and the blade guard to keep it from moving around. And here I spend just a few minutes tightening it to the manufacturer's specs, and that's basically it. Now, just for a quick sanity check, we'll take a look at the blade that didn't fall off on the tractor and see how snugly the bolt fits against there. And we'll compare it to the side we just fixed. And note that there's a lot less grass on this side. And it looks like it fits just about the same way. And after I did this, I tested it out by mowing about an acre of grass, and it worked just great. Hope this helps. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.